Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about website and newsletter introducing Saudi stars from our book Lift Off. Let's start with reading, then completing the missing parts. So listen carefully. Welcome to Saudi Stars, our new monthly English language newsletter for Saudi students by Saudi students. Your editorial team is Lina and Dalal from Ulayya Intermediate Girls School and Julia from Riyadh English Girls Academy. Each month we are going to have articles, questionnaires, stories and quizzes in our newsletter. We are going to learn a lot of English when we write the newsletter. We hope you are going to enjoy the newsletter and learn English from it too. So after you listen, now let's find the answers of the missing words. So we have number 2 students, 3 month, 4 newsletter, 5 learn, 6 write, 7 hope, and 8 is 2. Answer the following questions about the reading that we just read it. Number 1, what is their monthly newsletter name? It is Saudi Stars. Number 2, who are the newsletter for? It's for Saudi students. And what are they going to learn? They are going to learn a lot of English. So this is how can you learn answering some questions from the reading. Now we have new vocabulary. For example, arrange, it means organize, like organizing your papers, your homework, your project. Academy, it's a place of study, like for example, schools, universities. Contact, communicate with someone, like if we said I ask you to contact with your friends by phone or by email. Decide, come to a resolution in the mind. For example, if I ask you, what did you decide about your project? Like, what is the topic are you going to choose? So what did you decide about it? Discuss is talking about something with someone. Like for example, if we have like a group of working in class and I ask you to discuss the homework or discuss the new grammar, so you talk between yourself. Immediately, it means at once. Like for example, if I ask you to do the homework immediately as soon as you go home, so immediately means as at once. Print, it means produce books, newspaper, homeworks, like if you have a work and you need to print it by printer or to go to the to a place to print it for you. Sound is certain, it's sound echoes, like for example now you are hearing sounds. So the last one is suggest, it's put forward for consideration, like for example, what do you suggest for the weekend, like where are you going? So any suggestions? Now I want you to learn more about the spelling of the new vocabulary. Let's start with the first one, like print or print. Of course, it's the second one, P-R-I-N-T. Sound or sound. Of course, it's the first one, S-O-U-N-D. Contact or contacta. It's the first one, C-O-N-T-A-C-T. Arrange or arrange. Of course, it's the second one, A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Now let's spell the other words. Like for example, the first one is suggest. Excellent. So it's G. Immediately. Perfect. Academy. Great. Decide. And discuss. Perfect. So for today we learned about reading, new vocabulary, spelling, and answering some questions from the reading. Thank you for listening.